Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you're highly welcome. Do not forget to click subscribe and click the bell icon for notification when I post a new video, and also like this video if you find it helpful. Let's start the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a good Sunday. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to revive the life of your weave or your wig or your weave on, whatever you call it. This is mine and I made it into a wig. You can see the cap. I had to take out the closure, so now I'm left with this. The wig this is not a synthetic wig, this is a natural hair wig, human hair wig actually, but it has product builder. As you can see, my hand cannot go freely. It's sticky, product builder and stuff like that. So I intend to revive the life of it. It was very beautiful the day I bought it. I was blown away, but today I can say the same. So the technique I'm going to be using for today's video is the boiling method. I'm going to boil this wig to see what comes out of it. So hopefully it turns out well. I haven't tried it before. I've been seeing it online, so I intend trying it. So follow me. Let's do this together. These are the three things I will be using for this wash, this cooking method. This is my As I Am cold wash, coconut cold wash, and this is my Shea Moisture raw shea butter restorative conditioner, Shea Moisture, and I'll be using this to pick the weaves. To pick the wig so I don't get burnt. So let's start this video. 1, 2, not too much. Now I'm going to add like 1 spoon of my As I Am cold wash into the water. Now I want to add the weave. I don't know how to go about it, but however it is, I'm going to just dip it in and get rid of it. Oops. I hope this works. This cooking method. I've seen this on the internet and it has actually worked, but this is me trying mine. I hope it works. So I'm just going to leave this to cook for 10 minutes. I hope it doesn't discolor because this is the first time of actually exposing my weave to this kind of heat. So I'll be right back. I don't know if you can see this. At this stage the water is all dirty. I'm guessing that's from product builder. So it's already 10 minutes, so I have to get this out so I don't start getting the colored hair. Oops, this is dirty. Ew. Oops. It's so hot. Okay, now I'm going to shampoo the hair with my Shea Moisture raw shea butter moisture retention shampoo. So just gotta put the tip down.
tip, tip, tap, 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 tap.
Okay guys, after washing, this is the end result of the whole boiling process, and I am so impressed. Really, I am so impressed with the results. I never expected it to be this good, and the hair feels so soft, as in so soft. And trust me, I am going to do this again. And after combing it out, this is what it looks like. Ooh, I love it. It's so sleek, so smooth. You just feel like playing with it. But I love the result. And I advise you do this method because it's really worth your time, and it's so easy to do, and it gives you this wonderful results. Please go and start boiling your hair. But I'm excited. I never expected it to be this good. I thought I was going to get a wacky result, I am so short of words, but this is how sleeky it is. Literally, at least this, I'm not trying to teach you, you're doing this with me, so it's not a matter of teaching you how to do it. I never knew how to do it before, but we did it together. But the result is super cool, and I would say 100% you should do this, be it a synthetic wig or a human hair synthetic weave or human hair weave. You should try this. It's really worth it. Now I'm straightening the hair so I can get a more defined sleeky look, and hopefully it goes back to the way I bought it when I got it for the first time. So I'm just gonna straighten it. I have 3 bundles, so I'm going to straighten all 3 of them, and let's see what it looks like. Yup. You just look at it. It's so beautiful. It's so, oh my goodness, it's so sleeky, so soft. I'm glad I did this. I'm so glad I did this. This is all 3 bundle of it, and it's still full. It's what I imagined it to be. If it goes out well, actually. But it did. It worked out fine, and it came out so beautiful. And I didn't even get any shed. It wasn't real. After boiling, it wasn't like it was easy to comb or something, but for me to get this kind of result is really wonderful, actually. So if you want to try this, try it out and give me a result. Put it down below at the comment section if you tried it, if it turned out very good, if your experience is the same as mine. Just put it down in the comment section, since we both tried it together. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you found it helpful, also subscribe, and also put a comment down below and tell me what kind of DIYs you would like me to try out for you, so I'll bring it to you. Till next time. see you in my next video. Bye bye.